YouTube, back at again with another video with my boy Hellboy on the way to this meet. So I said, why not record? You know, why not? You see him up there, see that Hell Rango right there, and then me. It's supposed to be a few cars, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see what it's talking about. I've never been in this one before, so we're gonna see. It's early in the morning. It's like 7. I got up at like 7:20, 7:43 right now. So, you know, we're just cruising there right now. And try to get some roller shots in and stuff, if I can. See what happens. But most of this is just go to drive, so I ain't gonna bore y'all with that. So, try to get some roller shots if I can, though. Maybe get up here. Parked up. Boy, Hellboy. Big cats. Dang, she be whipping that thing, huh? Oh, he had that color, huh? Oh.
He didn't have a flag on it, but he had that color.
My title, or you know, however you.
Cars is out, man. Okay, they rolling in.
That's hilarious. He's a car racer.
So he really about that.
Blew it. This little motorized vehicle.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They be riding around the lot.
Big red eye. Ooh, black on black. You see, this me right here. That black on black, boy. That black on black. That's stupid. So I'm crazy.
You want to be with some more?